how can you find the previous reels on Instagram? So let me guide you through it and show you how it would work. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the next tutorials and similar videos like this one. Anyways, you can open up Instagram as such and go to your profile section where you'll be able to find some more things about your self and your usage. So tap on the three lines in the top right. And what you can do is to find your activity. So there are things like the saved or archive, but you can find your activity right there. And there are naturally plenty of things which you can check out, like the likes you have left, right? This might help you out as well. But at the bottom entirely, you have the how you use Instagram section, and there is literally watch history. So that is what you need to click on. And these are going to be the reels or the videos which you have watched. You can perform some like filtering it at the top and set up a specific date or a search for specific authors and look for the videos you have watched from them. Or as well, you can sort it by the newest or oldest, but that is actually very useful because you can basically manage it right here. So, it's probably not going to be like the entire history of your years on the platform, but it is still something. So I really believe that it's going to help you out. Obviously, if you want to save like videos for later, then it would make sense to actually bookmark them or click the save button so you actually do not lose them. But that is all for me. I hope I could help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.